Hi, my name is Stella Barnes, also known as Stella B on Air. I am the president of Buzz Guards Inc. and Stella B Inc.
So I'm Isaiah. I'm a CNA. I like to go to the gym, I work out, play basketball.
Isaiah inherited the cooking and the music production skills from him, and which is where our brand Boys Cook 2 kind of stemmed from. Boys Cook 2 is an urban brand that focuses on the health and wellness of boys and men, helping them master their greatest potential and their greatest assets. One day, I didn't even know that Isaiah could actually cook the way he does. Like, I knew he was into video games, I knew he played basketball, and veteran in the CNA, but I saw him in the kitchen one day and I was like, whoa, I had no idea. I'm like, we gotta do something with that. Because usually and it's kind of rare to have men that can cook like that anyway, and for it to have so much in their lineage, I really wanted to honor that. And so I figured I just had to put something together and go with it.